Oh, my secret? My secret? My secret is my secret. You know? My secret. Oh yeah. My secret is I have this mix of coming from the future and yet having all these past lifetimes that I can tap into, like a collective. Like there is some, you know, Tibetan, there is some from Israel, there is some Egyptian lifetimes, there's like all this mix which creates that I have these kind of codes inside. It's like light codes. And these light codes, they're activating exactly at the right moment so that I can help as much people as possible that are coming with me. So I don't know exactly how to explain it, but it's almost like in my DNA, there is these light codes that get activated, like sparking up when I speak to different people, or I'm in different countries, or I'm like in different situations. And by that sparking up of these light codes, people around me are actually picking up on them really fast. So it's like I'm this walking, talking activation machine, catalyzing all these different timelines everywhere. And so when people connect with me, they don't even know it, but they feel this type of vortex. And they're like, what is it about you, you know? And what I do is I accelerate options, changing timelines, situations, lifetimes, and they can just tune into that and just kind of ride the wave with me, you know? So that's a bit my secret.